guys, in this video we're going to be forging some hooks so you can, put it on your wall and hang stuff off it or your helmet. It's a view. So, let's get started. So to start this project I'm just going to be using some round bar. It's I don't know the diameter, like 2 millimeters in diameter or something really small, but it's perfect for what we need it, to make the hooks. One thing to note is that it cools down very fast, so you have to work fast and you have to have a good setup from your anvil to your forge. So to start off, we're just going to be giving it a little taper. You're just going to bend the slightest bit over the side of the anvil to start your curl at the end. There I think I did a little bit too much, so you can easily just undo it and then redo it. See, you want to get about that much curled over. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pull down just the tip so that you don't break it when you're coming to the horn of your anvil and bending it around. Like that. You might want to fix up your curl because over the anvil doesn't do a very good job at making it circular. So the next heat you're going to want to fix that up. Access so you can forge out a flat so you can put a drill through it and put it onto your wall. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lay it like this, half on, half off to draw it out.